What? Can you see one? And cool. Make smoke. Seriously? Oh, is anybody that tells Abe? Your pants? Yes, my pants. Where are they? Okay, establish a few ground rules here. One, if you're not wearing pants, please stay out of my personal space. Okay, and two, if the girl is in the bathroom, the girl should be allowed to remain alone in the bathroom. So I'm morning basketball practice and then a players meeting and then a captain's meeting and then even more practicing and that's before class even starts, okay? The point is, we've systems in this house. We work together like a well-oiled machine. You're probably not getting the luxury of much alone time in the bathroom, so Pancake day! Oh, it's a boy. Clearly lacks fundamental understanding of dog. It's a known scientific fact that they never betray their own instincts or communication like that. Everybody knows this. I can recommend some reading if you'd like. Okay, thanks. Whatever are those? Protein pancake, mild special secret recipe. Okay. Yeah, the cooler chunk. Don't forget the hot sauce. Okay. Thank you for just stick with my cottage cheese. Where's my cottage cheese? Oh, here's where my cottage cheese. But he's in my pancake. Mom, you can do this every day before school. No. Maybe. We are used to doing things a certain way, and the boys are used to doing things a twisted. So music works.